Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing these Lululemon pants. These are in color black. So these are the ABC Slim Fit Pants Utilitech. Pretty much all I wear. Haven't had black pants in a long time, you know, besides like dress pants. So be nice, wear black pants. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. This is what the tag looks like. All right. Let's open these up. Wow, very, very nice, classic looking pants. Let's see, it's got the 2 pockets up here, standard pockets here. Nice coin pocket here. Then these 2 pockets in the back. So this one's a standard pocket here. Lulu logo here, and the pocket back here, it's nice, has the zipper. So yeah, that's it, pretty much it. Hope you're all doing well. Let me know what you guys think of these pants in the comment section below. Cool, hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.